Ooh, I'm probably not even going to street for that long. Oh shit. I'm probably not street for that long. Oh shit. But yeah, today's a bank holiday. Market just opened. Nothing really happened. Just no volume in the market. I'm bearish on this week. We're already close to the sell side target on the bank holiday, so I don't really have high expectations for today. Like, only way I would want to get in a trade is if we went all the way up here and took out these highs, any of these highs, and then started to break down lower. But where we at right now, we start breaking down lower. I'm not gonna participate, and because one, this would be the only like target I will see getting hit today because my next one's is previous day low, and the sell side all the way down here, and then eventually it's my higher time frame target 904. And with it being no news Monday and the bank holiday, and there's even no news tomorrow, and with like I think the government shut down, I'm not 100% sure, but ain't really no too many factors of making me want to get in. But we could tape read. I'll tape read it until 10 o'clock. So we got this new week opening gap from this week. Traded through it. We opened up, traded below, above, and during Asia session and London session had some movement to the upside. And then this morning, right during pre-market, we dropped, taking out these lows. We just took out this low as well. And we still have last Friday's New York PM session low. So I'm just watching to see what we do with this new week opening gap. If we start trading through it and above it, or if the bottom portion gets used as resistance to go down lower, taking out sell side. Yeah, I might break. I'll paper trade. I might do high what you call it? High frequency trading, but it's not a lot of volume, so I don't know how this is gonna go. All right, so on a paper trading account, taking this fair value gap. Looks like dollar just took out these lows, pushing up higher. I want to see if we continue bearish. Unky. Oh. All right. That's target number one. Now we have our winners. Put our stop loss right above consequent encroachment of the fair value gap. So we got one PDA array. This is we got 1 minute fair value gap. That's 2. And then we had this order block. That's 3. So let's see. Price goes to stop loss. That is a 3 PDA array. That's a failed trade to me. We already locked in our partial, leaving a runner to see how much lower we might want to go. Or we got a new fair value gap. Um, right here, this line right here. If you just go on the this is the daily chart. We have a candle wick from Friday. That's a consequent encroachment, which is the midpoint of the daily candle wick. So I'm gonna take a partial right there. Again, trailing my stop loss through PDA raise. We got fair value gap, order block, fair value gap. 1, 2, 3. Stop losses right here. Now we just made another fair value gap right here. So I'm about to move my stop lower. Above midpoint of this order block. So the midpoint of order blocks are called mean threshold. So All right, we're in close proximity to our stop loss and break even. Let's see if the bottom half gets respected and we get another leg down. So now I'm watching closely on the 5-second and the 15-second. So we're fighting between these two PD areas, the order block and this fair value gap. So we break below consequent encroachment of the fair value gap. We want to see price start to break down. And there goes our stop out and profit. So that was it. Bank holiday. I believe it's President's Day, if I'm not mistaken. I don't really pay too much attention to the holidays, but we were able to scout something out of this move right here. Wasn't able to get our second target. I already had low expectations coming into today. We don't have no rare folder news. Well, for one, it's a bank holiday. Even tomorrow, we don't have rare folder news, so I just didn't expect a lot of volume. So that's the reason why I was trading on paper trade. Didn't want to take any trades on my real account today. Just being on the safe side. If I'm expecting low expectations, might as well not trade at all. Preserve mental capital and my actual capital for the real moves this week. But yeah, that was it. Like I said, this week I'm bearish. You see these executions we got from 757 to 730. So we got 27 points right here, and then stopped out for I believe 6. We got 6 points before we got stopped out. 6 points in profit. So about 30-point, little 30-point move on the bank holiday. Not too shabby. But yeah, I'm just gonna sit on the sideline for the rest of the day. I already didn't have no expectations for so I just wanted to get on stream just to take read, see how we trade today. But yeah, that's gonna do it. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. I will be streaming tomorrow. I just don't. I probably won't even trade my real account tomorrow because we don't have no red folder news and it's a day after a bank holiday. So I'm gonna treat tomorrow as a no news Monday for me and give the market an opportunity to show me what it wants to do for the week. But on that note, that's gonna be it, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.